So this could be a dumb question, but what is a blog and why do you need them?
I love that question because I assume that people know what a blog is, and I think a lot of people do get confused with what they are, and they get lots of different messages. But also, blogging and the act of blogging has changed hugely since I started out. I actually started out as a blogger years and years and years ago, and I used to have a dinky little blog. It was all sorts of different things here and there, and I used to just be able to blog about all sorts of things about my life and information. Blogging in a business context is quite different. So a blog is essentially just a log, like a written log that's written on the internet of something. So information, it might be a diary, it can be any written material that's put on a website or on a website platform that people can come and read. That isn't necessarily about direct information about your business or about what you are. It's kind of like that background or more detailed information, like an article.
Right, so it could establish more trust?
It definitely should establish more trust.
Right.
So there's a couple of reasons that people blog. One of the biggest reasons people blog is for SEO, search engine optimization, to help